The art of opportunity. The 6th in 9 lessons. Recognize opportunity via understanding and virtue. With virtue comes understanding, and with them the privilege and power to wield divinity. In so being armed as such, as a spiritual warrior, or dare I say knight in shining armor, so to saposexually speak, can one carve and enlarge the field of helpfulness and opportunity across the board, giving one the ability to attempt even greater things still, as if with a double-edged sword, no less, dividing truth from falsehood and right from wrongdoing most decisively. And though life itself is limitless and everlasting, our time here manifesting is but a fleeting and temporary shell and way station that we, albeit, return to now and then, again and again. However, what state or situation we find ourselves in, of course, again hinges upon whether one constructively uses or abuses opportunities given to them. Get it? History itself inevitably repeats in order to correct this in self. See? For we do indeed reap the results of how one applies the knowledge gained in this life and lifetimes combined. Like karma, like begets like, as in, archaically speaking, sowing more of same, where what one does returns to us as a boomerang, but not as a punishment or reward per se, rather as an instant or indirect result of divine or universal rule. Even Newton's third law agrees and sees fit to basically call it that in a roundabout way, in an equally measured and meted out manner. There is indeed rhyme to Mother Nature's reasoning, for she is always in harmony and sync with the symphony of creation. In a nutshell, virtue and the resultant understanding is meant to promote growth and spiritual development. The direction one takes in life depends upon how one thinks, as much as one becomes what one eats. And where or when any portion is misused, either by action or thought, so too does one darken or dim the light which might otherwise help brighten or save someone else's day, if not one's very own as well. Be not so unwise, nor ignore the signs of conceit, as so many of Earth's children do, and have done for generations. Rather, see shit or shine for what it really is, positive or negative. It's all good, and hence meant to be. And in order to do this and just that, rendering the right service in the right place at the right time requires staying intimately in touch with the infinite and indestructible source of understanding to begin with, that being seen in and only in opportunity, which ever present themselves, fortunately.